Um, Hello guys, I'm back again on my YouTube channel, guys. I'm back again to drop another video for you guys. You guys already know what I do. I'm a swing trader. Also I swing trade. I don't trade every single day. Neither do I trade every week. I wait for the good opportunity. When I see the good opportunity, I execute. If you hit my stop, good. If you come and take profit, fine. Because we are not in the control of the market. The market will always do what it has to do. And as a trader, we are there to find our opportunities, find our confirmation, and trade what we see. So that is what we are here to do. So, guys, I'm on GU now, and you can see that GU has been buying for some couple of, I think for some like couple of months now. For the buying, it's not that good, good confirmation for traders to, execute plan properly. But we are hoping to see maybe a good confirmation and a lot more for us to see how we can be scaling up. The past month now, trading has not been good for a lot of traders out there. People has not been seeing good setup, but we are still moving. The most important thing is to stick into the game. If you have a proven risk as low as possible so that you could stick in the game because some months are not good. And when you don't have a proper, risk management, you might blow your account. And when you blow your account, maybe some couple of months now, you still start seeing price, the market is doing respecting structure. And at this point, maybe you don't have money to acquire to buy another one. So what is that for you to understand how to manage your risks and go for the right opportunity. So I'm a swing trader. So I'm here to explain on how I you know, trade the market and how I approach the chart. And if you can find it helpful, you can add it to your order you have before and have a leverage on it. So right now we are on our monthly time frame, right? So what do we do on our monthly time frame as a swing trader? We are not trading at the monthly time frame. We are looking for the key level where price will move and respect some key level before we see a reaction. So what we have to do is that we have a key level that I've already marked with a red, trend line. So we have this zone, we have another one here, we have another one. So this was the area I marked. I did not mark this one. So I marked the support. So what we expect that if price come back to this support, maybe we may see a reaction or we may see a break of structure. And when we see a break of structure, maybe we may expect price to go down. But what price the price came here and start we try to see rejection and from there we see prices buying to the top side. So another level we're expecting price to come and touch this monthly resistance before we could see a reaction. You understand? Maybe we might see price come here, react, and then start coming down, or we might see price break this resistance, monthly resistance, and then head towards the next one. So we have marked our key areas on the monthly. So the next thing that we want to do as a trader, we want to go down to the weekly. You understand? Go down to the weekly time frame and then mark out the key areas on the weekly time frame. So when we are marking all of those zones, we are marking them and then as the price is moving towards those areas, we are expecting that there will be a reaction at those areas and when we see those reactions, we will plan on how to execute our trade. You understand? Remember that when price create a high and a low, if it's a bullish market, when price creates a high and a low, the next thing price do, it create a demand whereby price will come back and buy and go further. When price create, you know, a high and a low in a downtrend, it is that price will always create a supply area where price will go back to that area, then start selling off. So this is things that we need to, look out for. These are key areas. Excuse me, guys, I'm having some issue with my system here. So these are key areas that we should be looking at. You understand? So let's now dive into the weekly time frame and see what we have. So on our weekly time frame, on our weekly time frame now, this is our monthly. This is our monthly. On our weekly, we have this. We have these guys. You guys should give me some couple of like I'm having issue on my laptop. So we have this area. We have this area. I'm having issue on my laptop, guys. You guys should just know, just have patience with me, guys. Have patience with me. We have this monthly, changing the color, changing the color to blue. So let's zoom out. So you can see that this is what we have. We have this. Um we have this, right. This is a monthly here. On the weekly we have this here, this area, and we also have let's just focus on this part here. Let's just focus on this part. I don't want to go far. I don't want to go far. I don't want to go far. Let's just focus on these parts. So you can see that this is our weekly support, our weekly resistance. So normally, if price break a weekly resistance, we are expecting to find a supply area, right? We're expecting to find a supply area where price will come back and then start, buying to the top side. Now we're on an uptrend. There's no doubt we're on an uptrend trend right now. So what we should be expecting is that okay, price is now heading to this area around the zone. This is where we are expecting price to come before we see any reaction. So the next thing we want to find is that okay, as price is breaking this weekly resistance, what are we going to find? Remember, I told you guys that if price is bullish, you should be finding your demand area. You understand? Mark out your key area, support and resistance, and then find your demand area and wait for price to come at this area before you execute. So now that we have this break of structure at the weekly, so what we should be expecting now is that okay, when price has break this, where is our demand for us to keep on buying? So what you have to do is that we come at the weekly, there is no demand here, we didn't see any demand. So let's dive into the daily and then find our demand area. Having issue here. See this. So now we are on our um, daily time frame. So let's look at what we can get on our daily time frame. Let's um let's look at what we can get on our daily time frame. So what we want to get in our daily time frame, let's zoom out. So what we have to do now is to mark out key areas. This here is our support here. Yeah. So what am I gonna do? Change the color. So each time frame, change your colors so that you should understand what you are doing, the time frame, change your colors, change your colors so that you can understand what you're trying to do, so that it will be easier for you to identify where price is heading. Is price coming to on the daily support or the daily resistance, so that you can know how to maximize and navigate through the process. So as we have mark out this, um, my system is just kind of like slow right now. My system is very slow. I don't know why. I don't know why. The system is very, very slow. Very slow. I have an issue. I don't know for my system. So we have marked out these zones and zoom, zoom out. So you can see now that we have this the support, and this our weekly break of structure, which you should be expecting more buy to the top side. So now we have this our monthly, this our daily resistance. Yeah, this is our daily resistance, right? We have our daily resistance here, and this is what we have. You understand? Support, in the daily resistance. So what are we expecting right now is that for me, um, what I'm expecting is that I'm expecting price to come and break this place and maybe create a demand here. Already we have a 4 hour demand area around this zone here. There's a 4 hour demand area around this zone if we go to the 4 hour time frame. But what I'm seeing on the chart is that I'm seeing price coming to break this daily resistance, and then after breaking this daily resistance, we may see price come back a little bit more here and then go to the top side, or we may see price come back to this um four from the four. Let's go to the 4 hour. The price may come back to the 4 hour and then come down to the demand area and then maybe start buying. So that is what we are expecting. That is what we are expecting. You understand? So let's go to the 4 hour. Let's go down to the 4 hour. So you could see these our areas that we have marked. You understand? This is where price currently like right now, and this our let me say this our demand. Yeah, this our demand area around the zone here. Yeah, so guys, what we are expecting is that if price eventually start coming back, you should expect price to come back here before you start buying. But what for me, what I'm expecting price will not, try to like come back to this area and then come and touch it before. No, 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 it will not work. What I'm saying is that for me, I believe maybe price will come back here, break this place, and create a supply area around maybe any of the zone, and then you might see price start to buy to the top side. So that is what I'm kind of like looking at right now. That's what I'm looking at. That's what I'm looking at. So I'm looking at price, trying to maybe from that area when you see price, you know, you might see price, you know, try to go up, or maybe it might come back to this area, and then maybe you might start seeing price start to buy it. Just like my own, what I'm saying, maybe I'm trying to say maybe price may come here, come this place, break this daily support, place resistance, and then come a little bit, and then see price bump to the top. That is what I'm expecting on GU. So that is my own what I do, and that's how I approach my chart. So if you like the way I create this video, or you see an impact that you are benefiting from my video, do it to like and subscribe and follow for more content. So guys, thank you for watching my video. God will bless you guys.